Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create 3D animation scene with using After Effects and AI tools. For 3D models I will use Hitem3D. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and today I found a super cool AI tool, Hitem3D. It can turn any 2D images into a realistic 3D model. You just upload your image and in seconds, boom, it's fully 3D. Let me show how to use it. And after do this, I will use these 3D models in After Effects for create full 3D animation. Let's do it. So guys, first one, open Hitem3D website. Interface is very user friendly and we have some tools, and just upload here image and turn to 3D model. Let's click here for upload image. Choose this house image. I have generated this image with ChatGPT and click open. So we have some tools here. Let's click here. We have two versions, 1 and 1.5. This is new version. Let's choose. And resolution, we can use all of them resolutions, and for better quality I will use Pro resolution. Also with generate texture we can enable texture button, and then let's click generate and wait for results. Okay, it's done and really I have no words. So we can see very quality textures, all details is very good. I like it really, and we can create very quality animations or game assets. So let me show geometry informations. We can see verticals and faces, model versions 1.5, and resolution, texture information, texture UV, and this is 4K size. And format, we can click here. We have four formats here: GLB, OBJ, STL and FBX, and we can click here for get compute this model. So let's try generating some model in different resolutions. Again, upload image here and version new and resolution. And first one, let's choose 512 resolution and let's choose. Also enable texture. As you can see, when I choose a lower resolution, the credit I will use is also lower. And let's click generate. So here we go, it's done. And I will choose low resolution, but the 3D models, this looks very good. The texture details and modeling are excellent. I love it. Now I will generate and show you the 3D models in all versions. So here we have 4 resolution versions. The higher the resolutions, the more details you get. And Pro versions give you ultra precision, perfect to professional 3D works. But the lower one are great too, faster, cheaper and beginner friendly. So you can pick the one that fits your project best. Okay, so for our scene, let's add another image for turned 3D model. Let's click X. So let's upload image again, choose Halloween and open. And again, open settings, choose version new and resolution Pro and texture on. And generate. And wait for results. Okay, here we go, it's done, and again we can see very clean texture and model, and also we can see with texture off. Again we can see all details here, we can see geometry informations here, and again let's choose OBJ file and click here for get the model. So guys, also I want to say multi-view to 3D, we can upload front view here or back view, left view and right view for generate 3D models. Also we can use portrait image. We can again upload here front view, back view, left view and right view, or image upload here. Then click generate. So let's back to try 3D models in Blender and After Effects for create 3D animation scene. Let's do it. In Blender, let's go to File, Import and OBJ Wavefront. So we have two models, Halloween and House. Let's first open House and choose model OBJ and import. And let's change scale. Okay, here we go. We can see it works. And click this icon for see textures. Very nice, I like it. Really, textures is very clean and UV mapping, it's very good. And let's go to again File, Import, Wavefront, open Halloween and model. Let's import and change scale. Okay, here we go, and we have already 3D scene. We can create camera animations or weather and other animations for this scene. It's very fast and good way for create 3D animations for TV series or YouTube channels. And let's try to use these models in After Effects and Element3D. So guys, first one, let's create a new solid layer. Add name Element3D, click OK. And go to FX, Video Copilot, Element. And Scene Setup. Import and choose first Halloween model and open. Don't change any settings, click OK. And click Normalize Size and move up. Here we go. We have 3D models here. That's very good. And let's go to Presets, Environment, and choose Environment like this. Okay, very nice. And let's import another model. Go to Import, and back to 3D Models, House, and Model. Click Open, and OK. And click Normalize Size. Okay, here we go, it works. And right now we can create animation scene, click OK. And right click, New Camera. Don't change any settings, click OK. And press C for zoom to model. Okay, and right now we can create camera animation like this. For example, let's choose this camera, right click, go to camera and create orbit null. And for move the anchor point to center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon. Clickation tool and select these Element3D, go to render settings and let's open lighting. We can choose light styles here. Let's choose cinematic light and open fog. Enable fog and fog color, let's choose white. Okay, also go to physical environment, enable show in background. And right now let's play with fog like this. Okay, let's press C and zoom to this model and change view. And anytime select Element3D again, let's go to world transform and world rotation. We can create rotate animation like this. Let's first keyframe here and create Y rotation world keyframe. For see active keyframes, press U in keyboard and go to 6 seconds and change rotation like this. Okay, press N for select work area. Let's see. Okay, so in this time, select this camera. Let's open inside and camera option. Enable depth of field and change focus distance. Also aperture, let's write here 55 and blur level 150. Okay, let's preview animation. Nice, very good. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.